Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by gathering the essentials: packed ice for floors, blue concrete for walls, glass panes for light, slabs for roofing edges and doors. Once done, pick a flat snowy biome near water so penguins spawn naturally. Lay a 9 by 9 packed ice foundation and raise a 1-block rim around it to contain water and keep the cold aesthetic. Make sure to leave a 2 by 1 entrance gap. This becomes your airlock and prevents mobs from wandering in while you build the house shell. You now build the structure. Raise blue concrete walls 4 blocks high and incorporate vertical glass pane windows in 2 stacked rows for visibility. Next, dig a 5 by 3 central pool 1 block deep. Fill it with water and freeze peripheral blocks using packed ice to create swim paths. This attracts penguin-like behavior. Inside, place 2 nesting boxes, carpeted slabs, 1 unobtrusive light source like Soul Lantern to avoid melting ice, and a trapdoor or ladder to access the pool level safely. You finish by installing a slab roof with a 1-block overhang to shed snow and a glass ventilation hole to let light in while keeping mobs out. Make the entrance a double-door airlock and add a fence gate inside to contain babies or stragglers. Once complete, populate with penguin-equivalent mobs or decorations. If ice melts or mobs spawn, reduce light intensity or move lanterns to Soul variants and check door spacing. Make sure blocks are non-flammable, and the airlock timing prevents hostile entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.